I'm Shannon. I'm the gardener. This is the 2021 Deux Vert Viognier. That way you can just edit in any of those that you want. It's my favorite because to me it's that moment in the morning when it's like really crisp and cold and you hear birdsong and it's just like a fresh start. Is this helpful? If this wine was something growing in my garden, it would be just a cucumber hanging out on the vine saying, hey, pick me. It just reminds me of geese flying over a marsh, if that makes sense. Cheers. This is why I don't have social media. I won't have to see any of this. 1 second.
Oh, Shannon Mayhew.